This right here is the piece of metal that was in my leg. Yes, that big, huge, honking piece of steel is what was in my leg. Can you turn it a little bit for me? Turn it sideways. Keep turning it. Put it this way. Can you turn it? Put it sideways. Look at that. Come back towards me. Wow. Now, I'm going to get one of the screws out. Grab one of those screws, please.
Who are you sending this to?
I'm going to put this on YouTube. Put one of the screws in there. Let it go in. Goes in the other way. Turn it over. Goes in through this way.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
It might go in here.
Yeah. Keep going. Now, put it in front of the camera. I got it. This screw was all the way into my hip. Now, there's this screw. Grab all of them. Not just this one. Put all this in your hand. But that one, hold those two in your hand. And put those, just put them in front of the, and this one, and this one. Pretty freaky, right? Can you believe that shit?